What's good, everyone? Welcome to a new backtesting session. Today we're November 29th, Saturday. Of course, market is closed. So, as profitable traders, what do we want to do in the weekend? Obviously, we want to backtest. We want to try our best to use the time on the weekend to prepare ourselves for the coming week and the new trading week, to backtest our strategy, our models, our systems, and our overall trading. Now, again, this is a current session I'm already doing. So right now, as you can see, I started January 2023, right? So I'm backtesting 2023 price action. I started on January 3rd. And right now I am currently in almost the end of March. Sorry, we just started March. So the end of February, we just started March. As you can see, so far I've taken 24 trades, 85% win rate, 25% gain. Pretty good backtesting session overall. And yeah, this just shows and gives me confidence in my strategy, in my model, and my trading, that I know what I'm doing and I have a profitable system. And I'm gonna show you guys right now how I'm backtesting and how I'm trading. So let's jump straight into it. So right now, again, we're at 9:15 a.m., right? New York session. Sorry about that. So we have this 4-hour gap right here. We have this 4-hour gap right here below us as well. We're just reacting off this 4-hour and this 4-hour as well, right? So overall, I'm gonna be bearish until we hit that 4-hour gap. Let's see. So we have this 15-minute gap right over here. We're way below midnight open, so way below the opening price. Let me just make sure I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Awesome. All right. So I would expect some sort of a pullback, and then from there we take it lower. So let's see. We have this one right over here. Again, I'm not sure I would want to take this trade even if we get it, but let's see. All right, so we tap this 15-minute. Let's see if we get any inversions lower. I don't see any proper legs to trade. So yeah, right now I'm probably just gonna wait until we tap one of these. Until we tap. Okay, there you go. So the draw was correct. We hit this. So as you can see, we held the 15-minute. Obviously, I could have taken a trade here. We had this 1-minute inversion, could have taken this. Perfect trade. Oh, that was news. Powell was speaking. All right, so now we pretty much tapped this high time frame PDRA, high time frame gap. Let's see if we get some displacement higher. Yes, we do. All right, so we get some nice displacement higher. This is not the cleanest 5-minute fair value gap that we just opened, but hey, displacement is displacement. So let's see if we tap back into it. Nope, we just run without touching it, but that's good. That means we have we have some more displacement higher. All right, so we have this 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if we tap it. All right, we tap the gap. All right, let's see if we get some sort of a move higher now. Let's see the highest time frame for value gap in the leg. Not yet. So we get this 1-minute inversion right over here. Okay, as you can see right over here, we get this 1-minute inversion. All right, out of the high time frame gap. We're gonna take a long right here. Stop. It's gonna be below this candle right over here, and I'm gonna target this buy side right over here. So 1 to 2 RR, right? I'm gonna place the order. 1% risk, 1 mini contract, right? And we get stopped out. All right, that's a good start, but that's all right. Yeah, so I took one loss, and that means pretty much I'm gonna go to the next day open. All right, so we're trading inside a daily fair value gap, a daily bullish fair value gap, but we are trading inside this 4-hour right over here. So we have this 4-hour gap over here, and we have this 4-hour bullish gap right down here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark both of these 4-hour gaps right over here, just in case. All right, so we had displacement lower from this 4-hour bearish gap, as you can see, this one over here, right? Now I am expecting a move lower, but let's see, because I want to see these gaps get filled and from there to take longs. But let's see. Right now I'm only willing to take shorts. All right, so we have this 1 minute inversion. Yeah, so again, this is a good trade. Will we hit it all the way down here? Maybe. Looks good. I want it to RR. I'm gonna place the order. And boom, TP smashed, right? So it took a while. We entered the trade at 9:34 and we got take profit at 10 a.m. So pretty much 10 minutes. Sorry, I mean 20 minutes. So that's pretty good. Now let's see if we get some displacement higher from this 4-hour gap, which we do get. Right now, usually I do not take 2 trades in the same day, the same session, but now I'm only risking profit. So we have this 5-minute gap, which you just tap into it. Let's see if we have any 30-second inversion. No, we do not. So we're just gonna run higher without any inversion. Yep, we will. So no good inversion over here, which kind of sucks. Yeah, so I think for this session we're gonna finish up and go to the next day open. All right, so we're in the next day right now, right above the midnight opening price. We're rejecting this 4-hour right over here. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, daily candle. All right, so we're trading inside this bearish daily fair value gap, which is a very strong indication we want to go lower, but again we need to wait for confirmation. So we just tap the gap. Okay, I'm gonna wait for displacement lower. I hate when fucking FX replay just doesn't react, like gets stuck. Let me refresh. Leave page. All right, so we're inside this daily gap. Let's see if we get some displacement lower, but it looks like we're getting some displacement higher. So let's see. All right, so right now we tapped a bearish daily for a bearish 1-hour gap right over here. And again, we're much higher, like we're super extended, we're much higher. We're way above the midnight opening price. We're inside a daily fair value gap as well. So let's see if we get some reaction and displacement to the downside, and we do. All right, so we get 2 fair value gaps to the downside, 2 5-minute fair value gaps to the downside, right? So I'm gonna mark it like this, right? So both of them. And let's see if we tap them. All right, so we tap the first one. We tap the more discounted one, and we have this one as well, but let's see from where we get the reaction. All right, so we went higher, tapped the more premium one. All right, let's see if we get some sort of manipulation. All right, so let's see if we get some. Okay, so we have the 30-second inversion after this manipulation, right? So as you can see, we manipulated right over here, and then we have this 30-second inversion, a very small tiny 30-second inversion. Now my only concern is that we inversed both of these gaps to the upside, so this is definitely not an A+ setup trade. So I'm just gonna mark it out. I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm just like, I want to see if it plays out, because I don't think it will. Let me go to a higher time frame just to make sure. Okay, it actually did play out, which is crazy. It did play out, so I guess I should be trusting my model better. But again, we inverse the gaps to the upside, so you know. But let's see. Right now, oh no, we're already past the New York AM session, so we'll go to the next day open. All right, so as you can see, we would have caught like this whole freaking move, 430 points, which is crazy. That's why I love my system. I love my trading model. You know, this is actually insane. Oh, we actually tapped this daily as well. So that's why we got such a strong reaction. And now we inverse to the downside. Let me make sure that I'm recording and we're okay. Yeah, perfect. All right. So again, bearish right now. I'm still bearish because we are reacting to all these bearish PD arrays. We have this 4 hour right here, but we are trading inside a 4 hour right now. But we are trading inside a bullish one as well. So this is kind of a tricky situation. This is where my model is like, it gets kind of discretionary, and a lot of the times yeah, so let's wait and see. I think we're gonna head lower. All right, so we have this 15-minute one, 15-minute gap right over here. I'm gonna delete the big box. All right, let's see if we tap it. All right, we tap the gap, but again, it's not like, it's not, yeah, this is, I don't like this trade. And we're already past like the AM session. So we'll go to the next day, no trade day as well, because so you understand, we were bouncing between PD arrays. So you see we were inside this bullish gap and then inside this bearish gap as well. So we're kind of bouncing in between PD arrays, but of course I was bearish towards the sell side and we hit the sell side. And now we inverse the 4 hour to the downside. We went lower again. So yeah, again, my draw is lower. My draw would be this sell side right over here. All right, so this is my draw for now. And let's see if we have any hourly gap. So we reacted off this hourly gap right here in London, which means, yeah, so right now we're reacting off this 15-minute as well. So I want to see if we're probably gonna dump or not. We're not gonna dump. All right, so that's good. That's the key about waiting for displacement. That's why I love to wait for the market to show me that it wants to displace lower. But right now I don't see any PD arrays I can take us lower towards from, sorry. We're holding this 4 hour actually, so we might be, so longs might actually look nice. Yeah, because we're holding the bullish 4 hour and we have displacement higher. All right, let's see. Okay, so we have this 50-minute for value gap right over here. Let's wait for our tap. Oh wow, we didn't even tap the gap. So there might be like an SMT with ES. All right, so we have this 3-minute inversion. Now, usually I don't take the trade at all unless we actually tap the gap. So what I'll do is I'll wait for lower time frame inversions from the yeah, so we have the 30-second inversion, which we get right now. No, so I'll wait for this 1 minute just to confirm because we haven't tapped the gap. So I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute. So as you can see, we did not inverse this 1 minute. All right, now we did. So now it's like the confirmation for me. Let's just make sure we don't have another higher time frame. Yeah. All right. So this is my trade. The stop will go 25 points right over here. I know this is kind of a tight stop, but I'm just gonna take it for a 1 to 1.3, like to the high of the session, right? Like right over here. I'm gonna place the order. We might get stopped out. This is absolutely not the best trade at all. Like this trade was kind of ass, bro. Not gonna lie to you guys. Yeah, so this trade was fucking stupid because we did not tap the gap. So Now we tap the gap. And let's see if we get a 30-second inversion. Not yet. Okay, now we get it. So I'm gonna enter it right over here. Stop is gonna go right over here. And now I'm gonna take it all the way to this buy side right over here. So I'm gonna place the order now. And as you can see, now exactly, okay, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. You understand? Like, you see, all right, this was supposed to be my trade. You understand? So I got impatient, even in backtesting, right? Even in backtesting, I got impatient, right? Because my model clearly says, right, we have a 50-minute fair value gap over here, and I tried longing before that. Why? Because we inverse like a 3-minute gap, and then we inverse a 1-minute gap to the upside. So I got impatient and I tried longing, but look at that. So we got stopped out, which I shouldn't have because this is not my model. I didn't get the tap. We got stopped out, went lower, right? And then we got the move. So we got a 30-second inversion right over here. Bang, take profit smash, 2.5 R in like 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. So this is like my model. This is the trade I should have taken and not the other fucking crap. So yeah.